Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, so we have Tower card. It seems like Virgo, you are going through some kind of a transformation in your love life or in your relationship. Perhaps you guys are going through some kind of a legal divorce or legal separation. You guys are not together. Something had happened with you in past between each other, and that thing has asked you to take a solid action towards them and towards this relationship. So some kind of a change I'm seeing in this relationship, some kind of a transformation, some kind of a ending I'm seeing in this relationship. Okay, on the other hand, we have the Hanged Man card. So Virgo, it seems like your person has kept you on hold or has kept this relationship on hold. If you guys are going through some kind of a legal proceedings or some legal separations, so it means, yeah, your person is taking their own time to come forward. Your person is taking their own time to make up their mind how they are going to pursue their life in future. Or I mean, right now they are, just calculating all the risks. God forbid if your relationship is about to break. So at this point of time, they are, being very, very analytical. They are thinking a lot. They have just kept something on hold. Okay. Now let's see, Virgo, what is the current energy? What is the current mutual energy between you and your partner? Breakthrough. Something is about to end. It seems like it's you who is going to take a break from this person who is obviously not good for your mental health, not good for your overall progress and prosperity. Okay. So it seems like you have been very, very patient with this person in past, and now you feel that it's enough is enough. I don't want this kind of person in my life. I cannot be with them. It's better to leave this person. Okay, for you it is more like an abusive relationship. All right, now let's see how your person sees you, Virgo, and what actions they are taking towards you right now and what actions they can take towards you in future. So we have the Dream card. Virgo, your person thinks that you are dreaming about them. Okay, they feel that you are dreaming about them. They feel that you are missing them. They feel that you must be thinking about them 24/7. They feel that you are being very, very sad. Okay, they feel that their absence in your life is affecting you. Okay, the current action which your partner is taking towards you is nothing, because as per this card, schizophrenia, it says that your person is not able to comprehend what they have to do or what they should do at this point of time. Okay, so they are swinging. As I said, they have kept something on hold. Same goes here also. This person is not able to take any decisions right now, because if I am seeing, at the end of the day, they are going to suffer. If you be with them, if you don't be with them, ultimately this thing is going to kill them inside out. This feeling or this feeling of rejection or the negative feelings of their own is definitely going to kill them, or their guilt factor is definitely going to affect them. Okay, so either they are with you in future or either they are not with you in future. They won't be able to get any kind of mental peace. Okay, or for some of you, Virgo, it seems like your person has kept you on hold. See, what I told you in the beginning is that your person has kept something on hold. So for some of you, Virgo, it could also happen that your person is not giving you that freedom to move ahead in life, and that's why you are feeling, what should I do now? Why this person is not taking any actions? Why this person is holding back so many things? Why this person is so afraid to take any action? What is stopping them to take a solid action towards me? Okay, so it could be you as well, Virgo. Okay, The future is fighting. Okay. What I feel, Virgo, with this card is that your person who is in this hanged man position right now, who is holding back their emotions, who has kept certain things on hold, they'll be convert as a warrior in future. Okay, they'll start, perhaps they are taking their own time to get the or to collect the facts and data and all that, which can be harmful for you in future. So they are preparing themselves for a big fight. They are preparing themselves for a big fight with you. Okay. Okay. So Virgo, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Pisces. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading, and some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and we have fire sign as well, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.